Hi fellas, how are you today? Are you okay? I hope so. Today we are going to talk about the encrypting and we'll talk about the encrypting based on Mr. Robot. In one episode he did encryption on the EvilCorp files and he used the AAS with 256 bits, and we are going to do the same thing like he did on the episode, okay? So in that case we are going to encrypt on .zip, okay, to save our files. I don't know, let's create some folder test, and inside here we create a file with test, and inside the file test encrypting, okay. There is it, we can access with no problem. Some crackers use that encryption to ransomware, and then we are going to do something like they did, okay. Let's open the terminal here. I'm going to zip this file. R and E, it's to use one pass on the zip, okay, to make it with the encryption and the pass. Test.zip test. The pass, I will type fuck, and there's it. The file is inside. I can access because it's protected with the password, so I can delete it. If I extract here, it calls the pass fuck, and there is it. Test encrypted. Okay, now we are going to code, and we are going to use just one library, the PyAS. I have it installed already, but if you don't have it on your machine, you need to use pipe install PyAS, that one, okay. Let's create the file with nano encrypting.py, import PyAS. They use it 256 bits, which means 32 bytes, okay. $32 bytes it means. And with this code, each string, it does means 1 byte, okay. Then we are going to type the key with 32 strings, which means 256 bits in encrypting. Okay, let's go. I'm going to open the file. Test.zip. Now I gonna to read in binary mode, then it's read binary. okay, as F. Indentation, because we are using Python. I'm giving the name file to the file f.read. I need to read the file. Now I'm going to create the key, like I said, in binary mode. That's gonna be our key to encryption. And like I said before, it's gonna be 256 bits, which means the possibility of the file it's very extension. And like the Mr. Robot did, they have encryption. They have the encryption with the EvilCorp files with that extension. Then how many possibility is that? It's like this much. 2 to the power of 256 bits. There is the how many possibilities. It's so big. Like he did on the bank files, I would say it's more easy to create another bank than to decrypt the file, okay? It's very big. There's no way. I wouldn't say that's impossible, but it's very hard to decrypt this file, okay? Guys, so you understand what's going on, the encryption, the key, it's in the binary mode, which represent 0 or 1. Then like we are going to create our file with these bytes, okay, which means 256 types of 0 or 1. Then two possibilities till we fit this extension, okay? That is because we have make the 2 to the power of 256. There is our possibilities of the key, okay? So our algorithm, we are going to type in the string, but each string represent 8 bits, okay? Each string means 1 byte, and 1 byte does means 8 bits, okay? Now we're gonna to create the file with 32 strings, and I have one name for that. We are going to type 256 bits somewhere. Okay, it has 32 bytes. That's our key, okay? Now we call the AES, and we need to use the library PyAES. We are using the function inside this the PAS. Now we call the key. We are going to encrypt the file Then I will say another command, encrypt file. I'm gonna call is.encrypt, and we call the file to encrypt that file. Okay, what we're gonna do now? Now we're gonna open and read the file. I'm gonna read inside. I will overwrite the file, okay? With open, I'm gonna open the file again, test.zip, but now we are going to write in binary mode as F. Write. Now I pass this command, encrypt file. There is it. We have done. Ctrl O, enter, Ctrl X. If the file is right, it's gonna run properly. Let's text python encrypting.py and run the file. Let's try to open, and it's occur an error. We have encrypted it with 256 bits. It's very hard to broken it, to decrypt it. And now we run the file again, and we have the access to the file. That is how the ransomware works. I strike here, the password is fuck. test, and test encrypting. Okay, so how the ransomware really works? They encrypt the files, and you can access anymore your datas, but if you pay back, they give you this file, or if you are a programmer, they give you the key, and you make the program again and decrypt it. Encrypting again, and there's it. We can access anymore. There is what happens on the Mr. Robot. Okay guys, I hope you have enjoyed. Ta-ta for now.